Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss about probability. Okay, probability. So children, yesterday I have completed the basics. So ninth CBSE children, ninth CBSE. RD Sharma sums we are doing children. Exercise 25.1. Okay, whatever may be the exercise children, knowing of the sums are very important. I have sent the picture already. First sum. So coming to the first sum, a coin is tossed 1,000 times. Total 1,000 times. In that 1,000 times, heads you are getting 455 times, tails you are getting 545 times. What is the probability of each event? So probability of heads is equal to number of times head is coming by total number of events. This is probability of heads. And probability of tails is equal to number of times tails is coming by total number of events children. So you have to simplify children. You should not keep as a fraction children. It's better always if you simplify. 5 nines are 5 ones are 5. So 91 by 200 children. And this also 5109 by 200. Okay children. This is how. And children, I told you in the basics, if you ever remember, sum of probabilities of all events is equal to 1. This plus this, if you do 91 plus 109, 200, 200 by 200 is 1. This is first sum. Second sum also I am explaining. From third sum onwards I will ask you children. Two coins are tossed 500 times. Two coins are tossed 500 times. Okay, with following frequencies. Two heads came 95 times, and one tail has come 290 times, and no head has come for 115 times. What is the probability of each event? It's easy children. From here onwards I'll ask you only. Tell me, what is the probability of two heads? Tell me, probability of two heads. Tell fast, and I don't have time. Okay, next.
So can I say?
Tell.
So 95 by 500.
95 by 500 is probability of two heads. What is the probability of one tail?
So 290 by 500 is
290 by 500.
probability of one time.
What is the probability of no heads?
So 115 by 500 is the probability of no heads.
Very good. Children, you have to simplify children. Without simplification, you should not keep remember. I may not simplify because of time factor, but in exam compulsory you have to simplify and write in fractions like this children. Okay, so this will be 29 by 50, and this will be 5 2s are 5 3s are 23 by 100. These are the individual probabilities. Okay, next one children. Okay, Nandika, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First, 8th class Anika will give, then 9th class. Three coins are tossed simultaneously 100 times. Can you read? Three coins are tossed 100 times. Okay, and with the following probabilities, no head is 14 times, one head 38 times, two heads 36 times, three heads 12 times. Okay, what is the probability of getting two heads? Fast.
Yes, sir.
Fast, Amma.
Sir, 36 by 100.
36 by 100. First question. Next question. What is the probability of three heads?
Sir, 12 by 100. It can
Yeah.
be simplified.
Yeah, you have to simplify, Amma. That you all do. You do on your own, children, all of you. Simplification must be put in the fraction. Okay. You only tell what is at least one head.
At least one head is.
One or more than one. One or more than one. So
Yes,
all,
sir.
all this.
Sir, all. So 36 plus 38 plus 12.
How much is
By
it?
100.
Okay. 86 by 100.
86 by 100.
At least means one or more than one. At least one means one or more than one. Next, getting more heads than tails.
More heads than tails.
Okay, three coins I've said, no? Three coins. Getting more heads than tails means compulsory it should be two heads.
Two heads.
So two heads how many times?
So two heads is 36 times.
6 by 100. Next, one more question is getting more tails than heads. More tails means one. See, if two tails are there, one head.
Yes, sir.
Getting more tails than head means if two tails are there, one head. What is the probability of one head?
38 by 100.
Like that you should understand, children, all of you. You should understand like that. Okay. Next, mute your audio. Nandika?
Yes, sir.
1500 families are there. 1500 families. Okay. And number of girls 0 girls, 211 families are there. 1 girl, 814 families are there. 2 girls in a family, 475 families are there. What is the probability of no girl? No girl.
211 by 1500.
What is the probability of 1 girl?
814 by 1500.
814 by 1500. What is the probability of 2 girls?
475 by 1500.
475, 1500. What is the probability of at most 1 girl? At most means 1 or less than 1. 1 or less than 1.
814 plus 211 by 1500.
Okay, so 1025 by 50. At least means that or more than that. At most means that or less than that, always remember. And more girls than boys. So more girls than boys. So every family has 2 children. Amma. In 2 children, more girls than boys means it should be 2 girls. Because if 1 boy, 1 girl means every family has 2 children. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So what is the question? More girls. This is full boys only. This is 1 boy, 1 girl. This is 2 girls. So this is more.
So 475 by 1500.
Like that, you should analyze all of your children. Okay. Next one, Srihita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Listen. I'll mute your audio, please. In a cricket match, a batsman has hits boundary 6 times. Hits 6 times out of 30 balls. 6 boundaries out of 30 balls. Okay, he plays. Find the probability that 1 ball played. What is the probability of hitting boundary? What is the probability of hitting boundary? For 30 balls, he hit for 6 times. So
6 by 30.
that is 1 by 5. What is the probability that he does not hit a boundary? No boundary. No boundary. 6 times he hit means how many times he did not hit? 24 times he did. 24 but 30, that is 3 8s are 3 10s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 4 by 5 is the
4 by 5.
probability. Yeah, 6 times he hit means 24 times he did not hit. Like that, we should analyze. Next, Sarayu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me this some question. I will see. I have sent the pictures also. If it is there, you see. Oh, sir. 6 question is like this. First unit test, second unit test, third unit test, fourth unit test, fifth unit test. Percentages of marks obtained by a student is in 69% here, 71% here, 73% here, 68% here, 76% here. Okay, what is the probability of getting more than 70? More than 70. So total number, yeah, how many? More than 70%, how many times he got?
2 times.
1, 2, 3. He got more than 70. He got 3 out of 5 tests. Next, sorry, you want to less than 70%. Less than 70%.
2 times.
2
Two,
times out of 5
out of
tests.
5.
Next, what is the probability that he got a distinction? Distinction means more than 75%.
1 time.
1
by
time. So 1 by 5. Like that, you should analyze them. Okay. Next. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
To know an option of students like mathematics, about students about mathematics, a survey of 200 students were conducted, and the data is recorded as the following: who like maths is 135, who don't like maths is 63. What is the probability of students who like maths?
135 by 200.
135 by 200, simplification you do. What is the probability a person does not like maths?
63 by 200.
63, actually 65 mm, 65. 65 by 200. Please, all of you should simplify, children. Don't forget simplification. If not, you will marks, you will not get full marks. Next question. Okay, next, yeah. Rama, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please check ninth question. Do you have pictures which I sent? Pictures.
Yes, sir.
Check ninth question and tell me the answer. Find the probability that any of these bags shown at random contain more than 5 kg of flour. How many of them have more than 5 kg of flour? More than 5 kg. Out of of 5, out of how many bags? How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bags are there. How many of them have more than 5 kg?
7, sir.
7 are there.
Sir, 8, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Yeah. So 7 by 11 is the more than 5. Okay, that's it. Next. Rugved, are you there? Okay. Neeraj, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell 13th sum? 13th sum. The following table gives the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. 400 neon lamps. 400. Okay. And how many of them have less than 400? Less than 400. Less than 400, Amma. 14. You can see now 300 to 400
14,
is
14, sir.
so 14 by 400, you can see it then, no. Okay. How many of them are between 300 to 800? 300 to 800 means you should add 14, 56,
14 plus 56 plus 60.
all this you add by 400. And how many of them are at least 700? At least 700 means 700 or more than 700. 700 or more than 700. 74, 62,
74, 62, and 45.
181 are there out of 400.
48, sir.
48, okay. 14, okay, 184 by 4. Like this you have to do. So children, some more questions I will give tomorrow, children, and we will do some more questions tomorrow. And this because these all are very very basic level sums, children. Anyone can do like this sums, children. So I will give some more tough sums tomorrow, and we'll practice. I will see you in the next video, so that you will have enough practice before examination, children. Okay. So practice probability, children. I will send some pictures also for you to practice. Thank you.